Poverty.
Poverty.
Lack of financial.
Kulang og kuan kanang financial.
Poverty.
Poverty.
Lack of financial. Sa kapubliyon. Kapubliyon.
Kapobrehon.
Poverty.
Lack of knowledge.
Lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge.
Lack of knowledge.
Kaya lamang.
Lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge.
Lack of knowledge.
Lack of education. Lack of education.
Lack of education.
The lack of education.
Lack of education.
Lack of education.
Kay ang uban sa mga tao kay kulang og kuan kanang financial bantok mabuhat nila ang mga butang. So ang uban pod kay gusto nila makuha dayon ang ilang ones bantog ginabaligyan nila ang ilang presa ng body nila kay para maka-earn sila money.
Reason kung anong exist gihapon ang human trafficking here in the Philippines is mainly because of not everyone in this country is literate or naay mga knowledge about that, and also murag na sa nature sa atoa as people, not only as Filipinos but as in general people na kanang ano gani, like we are easily deceived na kanang ingnan lang ta o kanang mga flowery words dali ra kay ta mutuo na kanang, like for example kato sa NSTP namo, which na topic namo na kanang naay mga tao sa kanang bukid na kanang ginaingnan sila o kanang mga flowery words kaayo, like gina-recruit sila na may nani sila madato mapagwapo ilang kinabuhi, and then syempre kapag dili ka literate in that field or in that ang saba na siya na ano is kanang murag ano gyud ka murag madali ka na mapatuyok sa tao kay syempre no ingnan ka na kanang magwapo imong kinabuhi maging successful ka kaysa may dili ganahan ana, right? So maybe mo na siya ang isa sa mga reasons why up until now naagi hapon or ka-exist gihapon ang ginatawag na kanang human trafficking.
There are individuals which become a victim of human trafficking because number one reason is lack of education. There are a lot of Filipinos that become a victim of human trafficking because their lack of education, they don't have the rights or enough capacity to go to school so that they are easily manipulated by the instruction or information they receive.
Tungod sa poverty, mga gani kay tungod sa kapobrehon sa atoa, naay mo gusto to adiri nga nay sa isa ka tao nga pwede nila ibiligya ang ilang kagalingon ba sa isa ka tao para makakwarta sila sa ilang mabuhat sa ilang sarili mo.
So, human trafficking still existing sa Philippines. It is because of one factor is lack of education, and then the second one is financial crisis. So, lack of education is because ang uban mga tao, wala na sila yung chance maka-eskwela, kahit tungod, kinahanglan nila manarbaho. And the second factor is about financial crisis. Like tungod, maybe those human traffickers kaya nag-offer sa ilaha og kana nga amount, and then it so happens na that person is looking for that specific amount. So that's why ginakagat na siya sa mga tao. And that's the reason why human trafficking is still existing in the Philippines. So, I guess yun.
Good afternoon. I think naadya ko nag-increase na human trafficking because kanang namay ibang tao nga gustong easy money, so they would resort to criminal activity. And on the other hand, naa po yung mga tao nga kulangan pag knowledge or awareness about that matter. And I think because mainly of poverty. Because of poverty, people will do anything to provide the needs and to be able to survive. So kanang naimoy nga taki kanang asay sa makita na ko sa news mabutang kadalasan nga human trafficking is kana ganing work abroad. So pag mingon nga na-work abroad ani bisag di na nila ginaisip og maayo ba nga kanang basig na inani nga kanang motive sa ilaha di would grab it kay kanang para na sila magkuha nga trabaho.
For me, human trafficking still exists because we cannot deny that not yung mga tao no which is mga like easiest way to gain money no, and of course di na sila maluptan na mga laws and of course tama po kung sa akong isa kang kauban na we still need further assessment because there na yung mga tao dyan na hindi na realize na sa pag yes gusto ka lang sa dali lang money sa human trafficking.
So kana siya na topic nung mag-exist ang kanang human trafficking sa diri sa Philippines because of we are Filipino kay dagag need sa mga Filipino, di ba? Like kita kay pobre mo ta, we are in developing country, wala pa ta fully developed. So many of us like dagag mga pobre, daghang mga needs like as we Filipino, like daghang ng mga kinahanglan gusto nato buhaton, like di ba makita nato even diri sa Pilipinas na daghang gyapon siya kanang like bisan kanang bisag kusang lubog lang nila ba nabuhaton ng mali ba para lang makuha ilang daily needs nila or kanang gusto nila. So mo lang murag mag-exist na siya kay tungod gusto pod sa uban tao nga mo deal dia nga situation, and dili pod siguro, and napoy mga uban nga ignorant ana nga things gani na kanang ilaron lang sila nga mingon sila nga dirita kay dako sweldo dirita kay naay kuandre man ang ibutang na opportunity sila sa lain bansa is lahi dai like atong buhok lang sexual engagement dai ang mga gibutang la. So kana lang guro.
We conducted a one-on-one interview of the 200 respondents at Davao Central College. We asked some random students about why human trafficking exists and what are the factors why there is a human trafficking victims. So first, we define what is human trafficking. Human trafficking is the recruitment, transportation, transfer, harboring, or receipt of people through force, fraud, or deception with the aim of exploiting them for profit. Men, women, and children of all ages and from all backgrounds can become victims of this crime, which occurs in every region of the world. The root cause of human trafficking is traffickers. Traffickers prey on other weaknesses, unfortunate circumstances, unfamiliarity, and inexperience. Traffickers are trained to identify vulnerability and use expert manipulation tactics to pursue and control their victims. They identify a void and offer to fill it. Second, vulnerability creates opportunity for traffickers. Individuals living in difficult conditions can become desperate, and that desperation makes them vulnerable. While the following categories do not cause human trafficking, they do create a state of vulnerability and ideas or opportunities for traffickers to strike. So as well, we interview some students, we come up with the most common answers with a percentage. So the first common answer is poverty, 58%. Second is lack of knowledge, 17.5%. And the last one is the lack of knowledge, 24.5%. So these are one of the factors why there's still human trafficking exists in this world. So thank you, and this is our presentation of Group 3.